Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет.
Today we are going to create a beautiful landscape drawing of Mount Fuji using oil pastels. First we will lightly sketch the outline of Mount Fuji and the surrounding landscape. Use a pencil to draw the basic shapes. Mount Fuji in the background and a lake, some trees, small mountains in the foreground. Keep your lines light since we will be covering them with oil pastels later on. As you have probably seen from the thumbnail, the drawing didn't turn out exactly as I had imagined. Most parts were good, but I should have made the foreground mountains a bit smaller. Feel free to adjust that in your own drawing. For now, watch the full process to see how I blend colors with softened oil pastels and use stippling technique to draw the trees. For this drawing, Camel Oil Pastels were used. The soften effect was achieved by scraping out some oil pastel and mixing it with Vaseline gel to create a smooth paste. A clay modeling tool was used to soften the oil pastels. Let's start coloring. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more oil pastel drawing tutorials, check out the playlist shown on the screen.